Scan and QR code, winner 25 rand. Upon entering the stadium, you have the right to verify whether the security service provider deployed is registered with CIRA. Visit www.cira.co.za to confirm their registration and training status for event security. Guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 160,000 subs! Welcome to Amabenzo TV. It's the CAF Champions League. Kaizer Chiefs 1, Zamalek 1. I'm joined by Usocha.
Sithibo fere
Amnandi Rutmani.
nandi ufuna njalo
Igame ibona kanjani?
Mina ngene sokonafa ne.
Sure.
So isokonafa iseyonke. Iklub idlalile but ama chances about creator yaphelele emoyeni.
Yeah.
But mina I'm happy ukuthi at least ama-coach ayayizwa lesikhalo sethu le ntwana encane le crash encane abayigayi chance abazidlala uyabona last sidliwa ku-final ku-Champions League wakudlala intwana encane isizini elandela baqhubekise lezo ntwana le so uyabona lezi mabengaziqhubekisa zidlale so zizojela zenze into eyi-one so mina the way ungakhona iklub idlalile but ama-chances abawu-convict yiyo into ecosta i-Kaizer Chiefs each and every game.
Sure.
But I'm happy ukuthi i-crash today badlaliseyo ingathi mina ukuthi kule champion kule CAF le bangadlalisa zona yonke i-CAF noma singaphuma early but siphume kudlala intwana and the two at least we still have 12 points to play for. So i-team mele yenze kangcono. Mele yenze kangcono. Otherwise idlalile intwana zami ngiyabona uSolomon. uSolomon noma singamchika simchika kangakanani but at the end of the day ikhona into ayenzayo esurprise umuntu. Uyathesha njengafanda ukorile la last week ukorile but naye ama mistakes wakhe ilawa scosta at the end of the day. I-Chiefs inama mistakes abhaya end up acosta i-team and then bona babe nama chances abhaya they don't convert each no chance abayikorayo. Abantu mangiyasheka no sekonafu siye saba nama shorted goal. I think they won. But otherwise mfana sizobona i-second leg.
Thank you.
Mara eligini mfana sihamba unyawo lofuthi.
Did you know you can also verify the registration status of security officers by scanning the QR code on their CIRA identification card?